to make clip wall art that you can sell on Etsy or any other platform you are using to sell your digital products. Nowadays, with the use of AI to come up with beautiful pictures like this, it's easy and a lot of people like it. So, this person is selling this beautiful clip wall art and people are buying it. As you can see, already 20 of these pictures have been bought and they are in her cart. So people really like this type of art. They can use it and print it out. The others want it to resell it. You can also go ahead and jump on this and start making money. You can turn this into your own side hustle. You design these pictures, post them on any platform you're using to sell your digital products. It can be Etsy or any other platform, so that you can use them to make money. And it's not difficult to create. We are going to use AI to help us come up with beautiful pictures like this. So, first of all, what we are going to do after making your research, I always tell you, make your research to see what product people are interested in. For example, if you want to sell on Etsy, Etsy has platforms like eRank and other platforms which can help you in your research to see a product that people are looking for. So we are going to go ahead to ChatGPT and create now our own products. First of all, when we come to ChatGPT, I've already told it to write for me prompts that I can use to create. Yes, but also ChatGPT nowadays can create images. So if you're on a paid plan, I would advise you to use ChatGPT because it will give you better images. But still, if you're on a free version, ChatGPT can create for you free images per day, but they are only supposed to be to 3 or 4 images per day. Yes, but if you're on a paid plan, then it can create more for you. So this is ChatGPT. I went into ChatGPT and asked it to design for me prompts that I can use in AI. There are so many AI tools that you can use nowadays, but in this example, I'm going to go to Canva. Canva also has an AI inside it that can design pictures for you. Yes, so what we are going to do now, or if you have any style that you want to design, there are so many styles that you can design when it comes to this clip wall art. You can come here on Etsy, find inspiration. All of these people are into them, they are buying them. So as you can see, people are buying this and they are liking it. Yes, for the school and for children who want to go back to school. Others like this and that's what they are buying. So you can come here and see this one is about honey and bees and it's a bestseller. Can you imagine? It's a bestseller and people are buying it, but it's only about honey and bees. So you can come up with a theme that you want to use. For example, if you want to come up with something about honey and bees, then you can go ahead and go with that. So this is how this looks like. As I told you, you can come here and find inspiration and see what you can use. This one is about space and it's popular. People are buying it. This one is about food. Yes, so or you can go to ChatGPT and ask it for ideas that you can use to create your clip wall art. Yes, so but since for me I decided I want to use girls like this, so that's what I want to create. So when I come here on ChatGPT, I put in a prompt and told it to write for me. So it has written for me prompts that I can use in Canva AI. Yes, it has written many of them, even up to 15. So you can go ahead, take your time, use all these 15 prompts so that ChatGPT can design pictures for you if you're on a paid version. But if you're on a free version, you can go ahead and do this in Canva. Yes, so when we come to Canva, this is one of the images that the Canva AI had designed for me. But if you have another AI that can design beautiful pictures for you past this, you can go ahead. And always remember that AI is not a human being. So it can go ahead to create for you something that you don't want, but it will create for you something better according to the prompt that you have given it. For example, if ChatGPT gave you a prompt and you feel like it will not match your design, you can go ahead and tweak that prompt, change it somehow so that it can fit what you want. For example, these are some of the features that I designed already, but I'm going to show you how you can come up with your own. I like this one. It's cute. Yes, it's cute. So, and all of this were designed by Canva AI. Yes, so you can also go ahead and see what you want to design. So I want to show you how you can come up with this from scratch and how you can download it from Canva and go upload it on your shop where you want to sell from. Inside Canva, if you don't know what Canva is a designing platform that you can use to create a lot of things. So we are going to click here on where it says create. And when I click on create, so I'm going to go by these measurements here. So I'll click here and it will take me to a board where I'm going to design my clipboard art from. Yes, and it's going to bring a board here for me. So after it brings a board here for me, as you can see, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to go back to ChatGPT, copy another prompt that ChatGPT has given me. So I'll just copy it and I'll go paste it back in Canva. And again, as I told you, if you feel that the prompt that ChatGPT has written for you is not what you want, you can go ahead and write your own prompt, or you can go ahead and change that. So when you come to this other side of Canva, when you scroll down, you will see this what is called Magic Media. So when I click on Magic Media can help you to design images using AI. Yes, but as I told you, there are other websites that you can use to design. So if you don't want to use Canva, you can use any website that you want. But in this example, I'm going to use Canva. So I'll paste in here what I copied from ChatGPT, the prompt. So this is our prompt. So we are going to click here, generate image, so that we can see what this AI is going to generate for us. And of course, if you don't like what it has generated for you, you can go ahead and regenerate more images. So I'll click on generate. And the good thing about this, you can even choose the style of your image, how you want it to look like. Do you want it to be, so this is what it has designed for me, and I like it. It's okay for me. But if you want, you can go ahead and change it. If you think what it has done for you is not good, you can click here on where it says regenerate. Yes, for example, if I like this, I'll come and paste this here in my board that Canva gave me. Yes, so that's it. Then I can go ahead and also paste this my other pictures here. Yes, because if you want, you can sell it as a bundle on Etsy, or you can sell it as one. So it depends on you. So that's the second one. So I'll also click here and put this other one. I think I already put that one. So I'll put this too. I'll put it here also. Yes. So if you feel like what it has created for you is not beautiful enough, then you click here where it says regenerate and ask it to regenerate again. So as you can see, it's regenerating again. Yes. So you keep on doing that until you get what you exactly want. So this is what it has regenerated for us now. Yes. So I want to show you how you can create another one. So if we come back here on ChatGPT, we click on our next prompt, copy it, then we are going to go take it also in Canva again, so that Canva can go ahead and design this for us. So we are going to clear the first prompt and put this inside. So after that, we'll click on create or generate again. So we are going to generate another design. Yes, so that it can look more beautiful. You generate very many of them. So this one, see what it came up with. This cute little is, I don't know if it's a woman or a girl, but it's still the same. It looks beautiful. I like it. So that's how that looks so far. Then you can go ahead also put your other picture that it has designed for you. So you can generate as many of them as you want. For example, if you want to create like a band, or maybe create like 30 of them, so you can go ahead and generate more. Yes, but if you want to create them to be in a bundle, so when you are writing a prompt in ChatGPT to design prompts that you can use in Canva, it's better you specify and tell it to generate characters which are similar, not in a case where you get a character where some of them look like babies and others look like older people who are above babies. So that's you. I hope you understand what I'm trying to say. So you can have something which is consistent if you want to use the same thing, or if you want to have them like this, it's still okay. So what you are going to do now, when you have finished your design and now you want to upload it to the platform that you want to use, for example, you want to sell on Etsy, or you will download this, you click here and download this as a PNG, and you also click where it says transparent background. Yes, don't forget this, which says transparent background, and when you have finished, you just go ahead and download your design. You just go ahead and download your design, and that's how you're going to make money selling this cute clip wall art like these people are doing on Etsy. Yes, like people are doing here. You can create something about honeybees, you can come up with any theme. Yes, you might be wondering why somebody would buy something about honeybees. Some people buy this for their children. So as you can see, that's how a finished product will look. Yes, you can also create something like this, and when buyers buy it, it will look like this when the finished product is done. So there are so many that you can create here on Etsy. You just come here and see which one you want to go with, and that's how you're going to make money selling these things. Yes, if this video has given you value, don't forget to go ahead to share, to subscribe to this YouTube channel so that you can learn different ways on how you can make money online. Thank you. See you in the next one. Using to sell your digital products.